What do all acids and bases have in common? All the acids have similar chemical properties, and all the acids, when they react with metals, they generate hydrogen gas. So it looks like all the acids are containing hydrogen atom. This HA represents acid. So all the acids must be containing hydrogen atom. Now there is an activity to investigate that whether all the compounds which contain hydrogen are acidic or not. This is the activity. In a beaker, take a dilute solution of HCl. This is a cork. These are two nails. Both the nails are connected to the terminals of a battery. Both the nails are connected to the terminals of a battery through a bulb and a switch. Now change the solution. Put different solutions in this beaker like glucose, alcohol, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and see whether the bulb glows or not. So with HCl solution, the bulb will glow. If you take a solution of sulfuric acid, the bulb will glow. But if you take a solution of glucose and alcohol, the bulb will not glow. Which means that HCl in aqueous solution will give H plus and Cl minus ion. This H plus ion is never free in the solution. It is present as H3O plus ion. Means H plus ion combines with water to give H3O plus ion. So either you write H plus as H3O plus ion or you write it as H plus aqueous. So acid dissociates in solution to give H plus ion and the corresponding anion. For example, HCl gives H plus and Cl minus ion. H2SO4 will dissociate to give 2H plus and SO4 2 minus ion. So a cation and an anion is obtained, and these ions help in the conduction of electricity through the solution, as a result of which the bulb glows. Whereas glucose and alcohol, they do not give ions in the solution, so the bulb will not glow. Electricity will not flow through the solution and the bulb will not glow. Now the cation present in the acids is H plus ion. So it suggests that the acids produce H plus ions and it is responsible for the acidic properties. Cation means positive ion. So the positive ion given by the acids is the H plus ion, and therefore the acidic properties of acids are due to this H plus ion. If the same activity is carried out using alkalis such as sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, in that case also the solution will conduct electricity, because this sodium hydroxide, it dissolves in water to give sodium ion and hydroxide ion, and this hydroxide ion and sodium ion, they help in the conduction of electricity through the solution.